What is going on? Travis Wright here for another NBA Top Shot pack. Boy, this was the most frustrating time that I've ever had towards getting a pack. And I was number 15,300 in line. There's over 300,000 people trying to get one of these packs right here, these Cool Cat packs. And my line in queue pops up, number 15,300. I'm like, boom, I'm getting a pack. And then I finally get into the checkout area. And this thing kept glitching out. 20 minutes. The packs are dwindling. I'm like, am I going to get one? Oh, my God, this is obnoxious. And so then I just say, F it, and close my window. And I'm like, ugh, so pissed off. NBA Top Shot is a factory of sadness, was my rant. And so I said, you know what? Let me open up a tab again. Let me try again. And instead of putting me in the queue at the end, it gave me the option to buy now. I buy it. Boom, it opens up the thing. Boom, it allowed me to buy the pack. So, man, this was the most frustrating time I've ever had with NBA Top Shots, but it ended up with a little bit of gold at the end of the rainbow. So let us open up the pack and see if we got something magical. Oh, yes. Boom, gonna open up this pack right here. Drew Holiday. There it is. Pass it off. Here's a dunk. Nope. It's a layup. Oh, damn. Yeah. Here we go to card number 2. What it do? Let me see. Oh, it's a dunk. Thaddeus Young dunk. Number 5, 6, 10. Pretty low mint. Boom. I don't mind. Yeah, going back to the room. Gonna reveal this one. See what I get. It's another dunk from Jacob. 24,327. That's too high. Oh. Boom. Here we go. Gonna reveal a layup. Shai Gilgeous Alexander. Oh, yeah. 11,118. That's not bad, but that's not what I'm needing. This must. Oh, that was the Cool Cat. Damn. Didn't get somebody I ever heard of, man. I've never heard of this man. Here's the last card, opening it up. Clint Cabela dunk. Say what? Never heard of any one of these players. Man, I guess, I have heard of Thaddeus Young. I've heard of him. All the rest of them are just like scrub-a-dub-dubs. But there we go. All right, that's it. So there's my packs. Got some people never heard of. Maybe some of y'all have heard of them. Not heard of one of these people. That's pretty low mint, though, from the Thaddeus Young. Clint Cabela, that's decent. The mints are not so bad. Just never heard of any of these people, man. All right. Well, thank you so much. Again, the most frustrating pack opening of all time for me because I was stuck in the payment processing for actually about 20 minutes. It looks like it was. Damn. But I got a pack, and the Karma Gods said, hey, you were complaining, and so you get nobody cool in your pack. So got all this stress for no reason. Anyway, appreciate it. There it is. Boom. There's another pack opening. NBA Top Shot. There it is. If you got a pack, congratulations. If you did not get a pack, sorry. If you got stuck in the commerce area, not able to purchase, I'm sorry for you as well. Anyway, we'll see you next time.